Hey everyone, it's Renee from Flight Automotive, and I'm here to show you how to use the awesome features on the new Flight Automotive app. To get started, make sure you have the TFA app downloaded on your mobile device. If you don't have it already, head over to the Google Play or App Store and search for Flight Automotive. After opening, you'll be taken to the home screen. From there, you can explore the savings and discounts available, or you can start searching for the parts you need. The Corvette, Mustang, and CAMARO tabs will direct you to that car's specific library of parts and accessories. All makes and models will allow you to select your vehicle from a long list of models that we provide parts for. Shop by brand gives you the option to search for products based on a preferred vendor or manufacturer. The Loyalty Program tab allows you to manage your current account or to sign up to start saving today. We'll have more info on that later. Clearance takes you to a huge selection of parts that are up to 70% off. The home page is also a great place to access videos, diagrams, and our blog by clicking on the 3 bars in the upper left-hand corner. Next up, let's click on the shop page, which will then give you access to the same selection as our full website does. You can search for parts using the specific year, make, and model of your vehicle. All you need to do is go to the top of the screen, click Shop by Vehicle, enter in your car's information, and then a custom inventory of parts that fit your vehicle will appear. If you don't want to search for one specific vehicle, you can also type in the search bar the kind of part or accessory that you are looking for. After searching, you can then filter the results to narrow down your search. Or if you already know the part number of the item that you want, then you can input that into the search bar to find it immediately. Another way to search on the shop page is to click on the bars in the upper left corner. A new menu will appear and you can click on the category you're looking to shop from. And then you can narrow your search by selecting your make and model. Or even a subcategory. When you've found the part you're looking for, click Add to Cart. From there, you can continue shopping, or you can go to checkout and finalize your order. At checkout, you can sign into your Flight Automotive account, which allows you to increase your loyalty rewards. From here, you can enter the coupon code you received for being a loyalty member or for having the app downloaded. Also at checkout, you can add in notes for special requests regarding your order. For example, if you were purchasing a custom horsepower decal, you would enter in the desired number in the notes so our team knows what to customize for you. After everything is ready, you can enter in your payment method, either credit card or PayPal. Or if you want to pay for your order over an extended period of time, Flight Automotive now offers Affirm, so you can make monthly payments. Now that you know how to search our parts and accessories, let's move on to the last 3 pages on the Flight Automotive app. The Messages board gives updates on the latest sales and promotions and any other notifications from Flight. Contact gives you the ability to send a message to our talented sales team so that they can assist with any questions you may have. And lastly, the Account tab enables you to log in, register, and manage your Flight Automotive Loyalty Program account, and you can access your garage of cars. Once you save a vehicle to your account, you can shop instantly for your specific vehicle right from the Account tab. In addition to that, you can save as many vehicles to your account as you want. After you sign up, the savings starts rolling in. Remember, the more you buy, the more you save. As you can see, the Top Flight Automotive app is an easy way to shop for car parts and accessories right from your mobile device. If you haven't done it already, download our app today.